Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA. My name is Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia, which was established in 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honoured. Please check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. We also offer the ultimate online singing course. If you're not wanting face-to-face singing lessons, we have male and female teachers. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. Maybe subscribe to a membership as well too. We have memberships here as well. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question, which is, why am I lacking confidence in my singing voice and abilities? So I'm going to give you the top 4 reasons why you could be lacking confidence in your voice or your singing. Number 1, you don't have confidence in your abilities. Okay, now singing is an ability. So some people can sing really well naturally. Most people can't. Most people need to be trained and work at their singing to improve their singing, to make their singing good to very, very good. Now, everyone can sing. Okay, so it is a question that I do get asked, look, I just can't sing. No, you can sing. Everyone can sing. If you've got a voice, if you can speak, you can sing because they're the same vocal cords that we're using. But you have to have abilities to sing well because there are lots of different areas of singing that you have to be good at. For instance, the number 1 point that we always are harping on at Vox Singing Academy is pitch. You've got to be singing in key and in pitch all the time. So that is an ability, and that's more so ear training and getting your voice to hit the right notes from hearing the chords that are being played. Another one is moving from note to note, because all we do when we sing, let it be, it's na, 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 na. You have to hit those precisely. So going from one note to the next and moving around is a skill and ability that you want to work on if you want to become a very good singer. So there are lots of other skills as well too, like articulation, pronunciation, and diction. If you're not using your mouth when you're speaking or singing, it's not going to sound any good. Let it be, let it be. Okay, so that's another skill that it has to be used. Also, volume variances. Every single song has got different lights and shades and volumes to it. So putting those into a song is very important for light and shade and color. So you've got to have confidence in your abilities when you're singing a song so that you can deliver it to the best of your ability, okay? So it's really important that you've got to practice. And practice makes perfect. And you want to be singing and practicing most days. If you're still not getting the results and you're still not feeling confident by practicing yourself and singing along with your favorite artists or songs, it might be time that you get some professional help and get some singing lessons, because a great singing teacher should be able to really fast track your voice by diagnosing the weaker points in your voice and giving you scales and skills to rectify those points to make you the best singer that we possibly can as quickly as we can. So you've got to have confidence in your abilities that you can present the song properly. So for instance, if a song goes into falsetto, so you can teach me. So you can teach me. This was from an Ed Sheeran song. I messed the lyrics up there. But if you know the song goes into falsetto and you don't know how to sing in falsetto, you're not going to have confidence by singing up there. Now, I wasn't confident in my lyric presentation there, but I was confident that I was going to sing it in falsetto. So that is the number 1 biggest point, is you've got to have confidence in your abilities that you can deliver the skills and the movements in the songs, whatever they may be, because there are lots of different skills and movements in songs. For instance, like trills. So you think you can tell. If you can't move like that, and you haven't got confidence in that moving, you might go, so you think you can tell. You might just do it like that, which doesn't sound as good. So that's what I'm talking about there. There are lots of different facets and skills in singing, and you've got to have the abilities to pull them off properly, and that will greatly help your confidence. Number 2, let's get to number 2. You don't know the lyrics 110%. Now, this is a pretty easy and simple one. So if you're tripping over the lyrics, okay, it's not going to sound great and your presentation isn't going to be great. Now, we have a rule, I call the rule of Vox Singing Academy, that when we're working on songs within a class with a teacher, the student needs to know the lyrics 110%. 100% isn't good enough at Vox Singing Academy. We need them done 110%. So if you know the lyrics 110%, it's going to greatly improve your presentation of the song. Now, at Vox Singing Academy, we also don't say just learn the lyrics. We also tell all our students to learn the melody and the phrasing. Now, let's talk about melody first. Melody is, we'll go with Let It Be. The lyrics for Let It Be are, let it be, but the melody is na, 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 na. So also learn the melody. They are the two most important things that you want to learn when you're learning a song. It's going to greatly help your presentation and confidence so that you can execute the song properly. Phrasing, basically phrasing is how we say things or how fast or slow we do things. So this is how Paul McCartney does Let It Be. Let it be, let it be. Now, as you can see, he held the B's out. Now, I'll phrase it differently. Let it be, let it be. So as you can see, I phrased it quicker, so I didn't hold those B's out. I can phrase it slower. Let it be, let it be. Okay, that it was awful. But as you can see, I held the second it was awful. I held the it's out a little bit longer, okay? So I phrased it differently. Now, this is not so important because you normally learn the phrasing when you're learning the melody of the song. But learn the lyrics 110% and learn the melody of the song 110%. That will help you present the song a lot better. Number 3. The song is in a wrong key for your voice. This will greatly kill your confidence. So if you're singing a song that's too high for you, you're struggling, you're sounding awful, it's a confidence killer straight up. So bring the song down in a lower key. There are apps that you can bring down the songs in lower keys for. You can get instrumentals that are in lower keys for a lot of hit songs. Or pick a lower song that best suits your voice, where you're sounding the best, where you're singing in your sweet spot, where you're not straining your voice. Just pick another song or another artist. But that is a huge confidence killer, is that one there, is people seeing their heroes and wanting to aspire to sing like their heroes, and then singing like them and going, man, I sound absolutely awful. I'm never going to sing again. I must be a bad singer. No, you're not a bad singer. You probably need training. You need to sing songs that are in a good key for your voice. And you got to know where your skill level is right now, because the person that you're probably singing along with, your idol or hero, has probably been singing most of their life, and you're just starting to sing now for the first time. So take it with a grain of salt. Be kind to yourself and make sure that you're singing songs in the right key. Number 4, you're not practicing enough. And that's a big thing. A lot of people think, oh yeah, I see these people singing. It's a natural ability. No, it's not. You see a lot of professional performers like these guys who've got record contracts here up on the boards here. They're practicing most days, okay? And sometimes they're practicing for hours to hone their skills, to get them down to be the best they possibly can. And that's with anything in life. If you want to be great at something in anything in life, you're going to have to put the work in and the hard work in. And it's really important that you practice. And so you might not want to be practicing enough. But then on the other hand, it's very important that you're practicing correctly. You could be practicing for a long time and a long length of time, but if you're practicing incorrect and bad techniques, it's not going to help you out, and it's going to end up in tears, because you're probably going to hurt yourself. You're not going to sound great. You say, geez, I've been practicing for hours. I don't seem to be getting any better. But if your technique is incorrect, it's not going to help you out at all. And that's where professional singing teachers come into play. A lot of our singers only probably practice 15 to 20 minutes worth of scales, and then they sing after that and they get amazing professional results. So it's perfect practice makes perfect performance. So it's a very important one that we use here at Vox Singing Academy. Anyway, they are the 4 points why you may be lacking vocal or singing confidence. I'll reiterate the 4 points again. You don't have confidence in your vocal abilities, number 1. Number 2, you don't know the lyrics or the melody of the song properly. Number 3, the song is in the wrong key for your voice. And number 4, you're not practicing enough or you're not practicing correctly. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. If you have any comments, put them in the comments below. If I missed something, let me know. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If it's a great question, I will do a video for you. If you like this channel, I've already said, give it a like, thumbs up. If we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, please, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below. We give online singing lessons here worldwide, 7 days a week. We also have numerous studios in Melbourne with both male and female teachers. And we also offer the ultimate online singing course if you're not wanting face-to-face singing lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Until the next video, live with passion, be good to each other, and enjoy your singing. Peace and much love. Bye-bye.